All right, building your TED Talk part 2. So we already got to step 6 and 5. We are gathering our sources here of information. So I found a definition for anti-racism from this website. So I copied the website over here so I could have my list of 3 sources. And then maybe I want to look for a cool YouTube video. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to YouTube. And I'm just going to search anti-racism. Okay, and there's some longer ones, but with our TED Talk being shorter, I could click on a longer one and I could do a clip from it or find different things. So this is the guy that wrote How to Be Anti-Racist. I might see if I could find a clip from that. So I would look through that. Let's say that I find a clip from his talk. And I've got to skip the ad. Okay.
When you live in a society, a city like Minneapolis, where 20% of the population, but more than 60% of the people being subjected to police shootings.
Okay, so that's a statistic that I could use. So maybe I want to talk about mass incarceration. I want to talk about police brutality with anti-racism. So I'm going to copy that YouTube clip. I'm going to put it over here. I'm also going to put it over here. And then I'm going to type a note to myself that he talks about police shootings. And then maybe I want to put a note to myself and mass incarceration, which is something I learned about this summer with a book called The New Jim Crow. So I'm going to put some book titles here. The New Jim Crow by Michelle Alexander. So that might be my third source. New Jim Crow by Michelle Alexander. And I also want to talk about How to Be Anti-Racist from Ibram X. Kendi, which is the TED Talk guy from the YouTube video up here. Okay. So I've already got, you can have more than 3, but I've already got my 3. Okay. So I'm going to put a little note here. So my first, see, here's some different points. He talks about that they are 20% of the population, but 60% of police shootings in Minneapolis. So he's talking about that as a serious problem. And then I'll find a quote from The New Jim Crow by Michelle Alexander. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to search The New Jim Crow quotes. I'm going to find a quote that I can use, and then I will copy and paste it over. So once I've gathered my research, I'm going to look at my 3 main points, and that will be organizing your TED Talk, which will be the next video.